Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've tuned in before. Today I have a haul for you from Costco. I spent $218 and this is everything I got. I thought I would run through it quick. I got lean ground beef. This is $19.80. I do have the corner covered because it does say the location I went to. I got cheese. That was about $17. I got a 4 liter of milk, romaine lettuce, Brussels sprouts, snap peas, blueberries, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms. Their raspberries were a really good price today. They were $4. So usually a half pint is about $3 to $5 right now at like Superstore and other stores. So to get basically two pints, or not a half pint, for $4 is a really good deal. I got this Waterpik shower head. We had the other styles in our 2 bathrooms upstairs and I wanted to get one for our basement. My boyfriend actually had been strongly hinting at this, so I got it for him. He showers downstairs. I don't know why I keep saying I got it for him. It's our house, but I don't like showering in the basement. So I got this for his bathroom, we call it. This was $45, so this cost a bit more for my shopping trip. And then these are not for me, so this is for my sister. She doesn't have a Costco card, so I always do pick up a few things for her whenever I go. So this time she requested the McCafe Keurig pods. I think these are about $35 to $40 for the coffee. And then these are $18 a piece. Normally I'd only get her one when I go, but Costco's just been crazy lately. With lockdown here, the lines are insane. The lineup today was the whole length of the building. It took me about 30 minutes to get in. I had returns from Christmas. So it was like an hour and a half for me to just get like this, do my return in and out and wait in the line. So it was a really long day for that shopping. So I hope you enjoyed all of my finds that I got at Costco. Right now my store is only getting in like the basic items, so there isn't a lot of fun things to look at or shop for. So this is what I got. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Take care until next time.